Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I did. I just need to grab a few more things from this aisle, actually. Oh, wait, I think I have everything now.
No problem. Take your time. I'll go ahead and start scanning these for you.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, so I have your bread, your milk, and these apples. Are the apples by themselves, or are you buying the whole bag?
Just the bag, please. I think there's a sticker with the price on it.
Got it. I see it right here. And do you have a Walmart membership card or any coupons today?
No, I don't have a membership card, but I do have one coupon for the cereal.
Great. You can hand that to me whenever you're ready, and I'll scan it in.
Here you go.
Perfect. That brings your total down a little. Will you need any bags today?
Yes, please. Paper bags if you have them.
We do. I'll bag everything up for you as we go.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Of course. So your total today comes to $28.15. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay in cash, actually. Let me check what I have.
Take your time.
Here's $30. Sorry, that's all I have on me right now.
That's totally fine. So your change comes to $1.85. Here's a dollar bill and the rest is in coins.
Thank you. Could I get a few of those coins as quarters? I need them for the laundry machine later.
Sure, let me see what I have. Here you go. That's 3 quarters and the rest in smaller change.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And here's your receipt. Everything is bagged and ready to go.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Take care.
Hi, good morning. Could I get a medium latte, please?
Of course. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit cold outside today.
Sure thing. Would you like any flavor added, like vanilla or caramel?
What flavors do you have?
We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut. They're all free with any drink.
I'll try the vanilla, please.
Great choice. And what kind of milk would you like? We have whole milk, oat milk, and almond milk.
Could I have oat milk? I'm trying to drink less dairy these days.
No problem. Oat milk it is. Is this for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm actually heading to work right after this.
Got it. That'll be $5.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please. Oh, and could I also get a stamp on my loyalty card? I think I'm close to a free drink.
Of course. Let me check. You're actually just one stamp away from a free coffee next time.
That's great news. Thank you for letting me know.
Perfect. You can tap your card right here. While we make your drink, would you like to add a pastry? We have fresh croissants today.
That sounds tempting. Actually, could I add a small one to go too? I'll take it home for later.
Of course. That's no problem at all. I'll wrap it up nicely for you.
Thank you. Also, is there somewhere I could sit while I wait, or is it better to wait by the counter?
You're welcome to grab a seat. We have a few small tables near the window and some seats by the counter if you're in a hurry.
I think I'll just wait by the counter today. I don't have much time.
That works perfectly. It won't take long at all. By the way, your name for the order?
It's Emma.
Great, Emma. Your latte and croissant will be ready at the end of the counter in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks again. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Could you help me with something?
Sure, no problem. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the nearest pharmacy. I have the address, but I think I'm a little lost in this neighborhood.
Let me see. Oh, I actually know that one. It's not too far from here.
That's great to hear. Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Just go straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks. Got it.
Then you'll see a big intersection with a traffic light. Turn left there.
Turn left at the traffic light. And then?
After that, it's right on the corner, across from a small park. You really can't miss it.
Just to make sure, is that the park with the big fountain in the middle? I think I passed it earlier.
Yes, that's the one. If you see the fountain, you're almost there.
That's really helpful. Thank you. Is it within walking distance?
Yes, definitely. It should only take you about 10 minutes on foot.
Perfect. That works well for me. Is there a sign outside so I know I have the right place?
Yes, there's a big green sign with a white cross on it. It's hard to miss, especially at night because it lights up.
Great. That makes it easier. Just to make sure I understand, I go straight for 2 blocks, turn left at the light, and it's on the corner near the fountain?
Exactly. You've got it.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. I hope you find what you need. Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last week, actually. I'm still learning my way around.
Well, welcome to the neighborhood. You'll get used to it quickly, I promise.
I'm sure I will now, especially with such helpful neighbors. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Good morning. Could I see your passport and booking confirmation?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me just pull up your reservation. Are you flying to Chicago today?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Will you be checking any bags today or just carrying on?
I have one suitcase to check and this small bag to carry on.
Sounds good. Could you place your suitcase on the scale for me?
Sure, here it is.
Great. It's right under the weight limit, so you're all set. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, if possible. I like looking outside during the flight.
Let me check what's available. Yes, I have a window seat near the front of the plane. Will that work?
That sounds perfect, thank you.
Wonderful. Here's your boarding pass, and your bag tag is already attached to your suitcase.
Thank you. What time should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts at 10:30, so please be at the gate by then. Your gate number is printed right here on your boarding pass.
Got it, gate 22. How do I get there from here?
Just follow the signs for security, and after that, gate 22 will be down the hall on your right. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Perfect. And just to check, is my carry-on bag okay? I wasn't sure about the size.
Let me take a quick look. Yes, that fits the size requirements just fine. You're allowed one carry-on and one small personal item, so you're all set.
That's good to know, thank you. And where do I drop off my suitcase?
Just take it over to the baggage drop counter right behind me. They'll take care of it from there.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a great day. Hi. Table for one, please?
Of course, right this way. Here's a table by the window if that works for you.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Here's the menu. Take your time and let me know if you have any questions.
Actually, could you recommend something? I haven't been here before.
Sure. Our grilled chicken salad is very popular, and so is the mushroom pasta if you like something warmer.
The mushroom pasta sounds really good. I'll have that, please.
Great choice. It comes with a side salad or garlic bread. Which would you prefer?
Could I have the garlic bread, please? It sounds delicious.
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Could I just have a glass of water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still is fine, thank you.
No problem. And just to check, do you have any allergies I should know about?
No allergies, but could you make it a little less spicy than usual? I'm not great with spicy food.
Absolutely. I'll let the kitchen know. It'll be a milder version for you. Is there anything else I can get started for you?
No, I think that's everything for now, thank you.
Your pasta will be ready in about 15 minutes.
That sounds great, thank you.
How was everything? Did you enjoy your pasta?
It was really delicious, thank you. Could I get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right over. Would you like to pay together or split it?
Just one check, please. It's only me today.
Right, of course. Here you go. You can pay by card or cash whenever you're ready.
Card, please.
Perfect. I'll take that whenever you're ready.
Here you go. Thank you for the recommendation. It was wonderful.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. I hope to see you here again soon.
You definitely will. This place is amazing. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Take care.
Hi. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Emma Carter.
Good evening. Welcome. Let me look that up for you. Yes, I see it here. A single room for 3 nights.
That's right.
Could I see your ID and the card you used to book, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Your room is on the 5th floor, and it has a nice view of the city.
That sounds lovely. I'm really looking forward to it.
Breakfast is included with your stay, and it's served from 7 to 10 in the lobby restaurant.
Perfect. What time is checkout tomorrow?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning. If you need a later checkout, just let us know the day before, and we'll do our best to arrange it.
Good to know. Thank you. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, it's free for all guests. The password is printed on this card, along with your room number. It should connect automatically once you're in the room.
That's convenient. Thank you. Is the gym open all day?
It's open 24 hours, just down the hall from the lobby. Towels are provided there as well.
That's good to know. I might use it tomorrow morning. One more thing. Is there a refrigerator in the room? I have some snacks with me.
Yes, every room has a small refrigerator, along with a kettle for tea or coffee.
Perfect. That's exactly what I needed to know.
Sounds great. Here is your room key. Your room number is 512, and the elevators are just around the corner.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. If you need anything during your stay, just call the front desk anytime, day or night.
I will. Thank you. This already feels like a great place to stay.
We're so glad to hear that. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your shift.